guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to Wilmington and it's going to be a fun little beach day, so let's go. We made it to Gracie's house and now we're sorting through the PV jewelry because we're about to shoot a campaign for PuraVida. The jewelry. We're off. Woohoo! We just picked up Gracie and now we're heading to a coffee shop called Sundays and it's supposed to be really cute and beachy, so I'm excited. It's 28 minutes away and yeah, we're just gonna play some tunes and sing to some car karaoke maybe.
Interesting camera.
Well, we're almost at Wrightsville Beach and at Sundays. Apparently Sundays is right on the water.
It's a sauna here in Wilmington.
It really is. It's so hot. I'm going through.
What are those things?
They are oil absorbing sheets. So they actually help when you're sweating and they help like dab if you guys want any.
Okay.
We're walking back from the beach where we just finished shooting our PuraVida campaign and it's so hot out today. I am sweaty. I'm like a sweaty mess out here, but me and the girls over here, we are going back to the car to go change into our swimsuits and then we're gonna go hit the beach. So this has been a very productive and successful day. Hey guys, it's been a hot minute, but we're at the beach now. We've changed into our swimsuits and we're about to go swimming. Chilly, but we'll see.
You're allowed just to the Florida bath water.
Yes, I am. To the bath water for sure. We just went into the water and it was pretty chilly, but honestly so refreshing. And the waves are heavy today, like the flag is red. But I'm going to go try and dive into a wave. We went back to the house to get all cleaned up. I took a really quick shower and I'm still wearing the outfit. I just changed back into the outfit I was wearing earlier. And also, I forgot to say, but this vlog will come out when she has her announcement, but Hillary's pregnant. I just found the update. Look at her baby bump.
It's a little bump. Little baby in there.
Little bean.
Little bean. Little bean's hungry, so we're gonna go get some food.
Yes, we're at a restaurant called Morano's. It's an American restaurant, so time to grub. just found out they had a dill pickle for flatbread, and it has garlic oil based mozzarella cheese, dill pickles, pickled red onions, pickled jalapenos, and drizzled with ranch dressing. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This pizza is, I would say, 9 out of 10. It tastes like a dill pickle. Like, it literally just tastes like a big dill pickle, but it has this warmth inside. Like, it makes you feel warm since it's a pizza, and it's just very tasty. I'm very happy I ordered it. I just got home after a really fun day in Wilmington, and I'm going to end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching my vlog. I'll see you next time. Bye!